Welcome to our channel, where today we introduce the HYDROSEAL Kaplan 2-inch PVC True Union Ball Valve, designed for commercial plumbing, aquariums, irrigation, and swimming pools. This valve features a full port design, ensuring maximum flow and minimal pressure drop. Constructed with durable ASTM F1970 PVC, it includes 2 EPDM O-rings and reversible PTFE seats for long-lasting, leak-free performance. The valve operates with a smooth quarter-turn mechanism, making it easy and reliable to use. It is rated for 200 psi at 73 degrees Fahrenheit, suitable for demanding applications. The socket connection allows for secure glue-on installation, and it is actuator-ready for automation needs. Trust the HYDROSEAL Kaplan valve for superior, fluid handling, and dependable service in your water systems. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.